So just think about that situation, because now she's thinking, this guy does not want me and I don't want this guy, so what is left for me? Yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm telling you that women will become obsessed over you just because you rejected them. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number one, guys, women, especially modern women, are always living in a delusion where they think that, they are the prize. Now, yeah, they've been conditioned and taught that they are the prize, but when you are taught a lie, the truth sets you off balance. Now, when you reject a woman who her entire life she's been treated like a queen, oh your highness, what can I do for you? Oh, here are your flowers. Oh, how can I make you happy? And then you come, you're the guy who does not give a crap about whether she's been treated like a queen or not, because you know you are a man. And guys, this will set her off balance because she does not know how to react. Just put yourself in her shoes. You've been treated, you've been given validation ever since you were born. And then comes this guy who does not give you that validation. Guys, do you really think you can fathom that? Do you really think you can understand what's going on? And this is what happens. So you find that she's now in a position where she is trying to understand what is happening. And her reaction is to chase the guy because the guy has what she wants. What she wants is the validation, the time, the attention. And guys, now, this might be annoying if you've never rejected a girl who's been obsessed and, been crazy. Then you might think this is fun, but just think about, the women you don't find attractive. And then maybe she tries to shoot her shot and you turn her down. And now she's constantly trying to reach out because she wants to be the one who rejects you. She wants to be the one who has that power. But you don't care. And that is the main thing that makes them obsessed. You don't care. Other men, her entire life, have cared enough to give her the validation because she thinks she's the prettiest woman in the world. Now, guys, I know you've seen these videos on TikTok. Women, even if she's below average, when you ask her to rate herself, most women rate themselves 10 out of 10. That is they've been so delusioned like that. And just think about, exactly that, well, you in your mind you think you're a 10, but other people see you as below average. You will chase those guys because, well, they have because once they validate you, they make you feel like, you are living the reality. Number two, guys, women get the confidence that they have from the validation they get from men. Now, I am just generalizing. There are women out here who are confident in who they are. Kudos. But most women out here, their confidence correlates with the number of simps out here who are validating them. Now, yeah, granted, the simps will never end because it's hard to be a man. But once she gets that guy who is a man and does not, validate her, does not give her the attention, does not give her the time, that you know, the attention she's been receiving from all the simps equals to nothing, because those are guys she does not want, but the guy that she wants has rejected her. So just think about that situation, because now she's thinking, this guy does not want me and I don't want this guy, so what is left for me? What is left for her? Logically, what's left for her? It's just her to chase this guy, because that is the one that she wants. So she will become obsessed. Obviously she will become obsessed because she wants that. And women are like little children. They will throw tantrums. They will, when they don't get what they want, they will obsess, they will become emotional. And the more she becomes emotional, the more she's attached to the guy. That is why the women you reject, they will always chase you, because now you are that thing that she cannot have. That goes to number 3. Women will always chase what they can't have, because women are hypergamous in nature. They always want the greener pastures. Now, they are receiving attention from simps, so that is there's no green grass there. But once a masculine man comes into her life and she is rejected, now that guy is the greener pasture, because first of all she has to work for his attention. Well, she's thinking this is a game. She has to work, she has to put in the effort, the time, the emotion, because she thinks this guy is better. And it's true. If the guy does not want you, it means that he has better things going on in his life. And women cannot fathom that, you know, she is not enough, because women always think that they are enough. That is why you find that they are chasing the high value guys, and they expect the guy to, you know, to be loyal to them. Well, to be loyal, I mean to not consider other options, because they think they're enough. But the reality is that, you know, the reality is that men will always consider other options. That is freedom. That is why we are building ourselves to have more options in everything in life. Why, you know, why settle for one when you can have 50? Anyway, guys, she will be obsessed because she cannot fathom that she's not enough. Last but not the least, the fact that she has no power. Guys, women deep down, they don't want the power, but they want to feel like, hey, I can have this guy. That is why the simps make them feel good, because they know I have 100 guys who want me. So when that guy comes and she feels like, I really can't have this guy, she has no power, she has no say, and that is a feeling that she has to chase, because it is something that is unsettling. Her entire life she knows that all these guys want me. There is no guy that has ever rejected me, and then she's rejected. She will chase that guy because she wants to feel like I can have any man. Just like the way men want, you know, to attract as many women as possible. Women want to attract the best mate. And if the best guy comes along and she cannot attract her, that is something that now she has to think about. What's wrong with her? Why does this guy not want her? And it's something that they cannot fathom in their mind. It's something that they cannot understand. So they must chase this guy to make themselves feel better. Anyway, guys, those were the reasons why women get obsessed when you reject them. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.